PNI Voyager S2000 is a device that automatically records the events that are happening while you are driving, proving to be very useful in the event of accidents. Voyager S2000 is installed on the rear view mirror of your car with the help of the brackets included in the package. The DVR is equipped with two lenses, one in the front that records at a full HD resolution of 1080 pixels and a viewing angle of 170 degrees, and a secondary lens that is mounted at the back of the car and records at a VGA resolution of 640 by 480 pixels with an angle of view of 120 degrees. This way you can capture the events that are happening both in front and behind the car. PNI Voyager S2000 has various useful functions such as motion detection, loop recording, wide dynamic range, and integrated collision sensor. Other useful features are 5-inch color screen, integrated microphone and speaker, microSD card slot, and anti-glare touchscreen. Included in the package is the car charger with lighter socket.